Students, in this video I'll be explaining you about the Ahom and the Naga history. So this video has been designed for your exam, especially for NPSC and NSSB exam preparation, and the video here is going to explain the history of the Nagas and the Ahoms from 1228 AD to 1832 AD. 1832 is when the Nagas came in first contact with the British. Before that, the Nagas and the Ahoms had relationship that was more or less complex, consisting of both hostility as well as friendliness. So in this video, I'll be explaining you with the given timeline and the important years for your exam preparation. So the Ahom and the Nagas relationship dates back to 400 to 1200 AD. As far as the Nagas are concerned, the slender accounts of the period of the Hindu kings of Kamrupa between 400 to 1200 AD are silent on the matter. It means that the relationship between the Ahoms and the Nagas prior to 400 to 1200 AD has been unknown with no historical records. However, the first contact or the first Ahom king was Sukhapa, who is said to have left Molong in 1215 AD with 8 nobles, 9,000 women and children, 2 elephants, 300 horses, wandered for 13 years at Patkai range that is located at the boundary between India and Myanmar, and making occasional raids on the Naga hills, especially on the Mon area in the northern part of Nagaland, and in 1228 AD arrived at Kamjan in Assam. So the Ahom king Sukapa first arrived in 1215 and had arrived at the present place of Assam in 1228 AD, and from 1228 to 1819 AD, the Ahoms, the Nagas, came to be noticed in the chronicles of Ahoms who ruled Assam from 1228 to 1819 AD, and these chronicles were also known as Buranjis. In this picture, you will see the king Sukaba, who was a representation of as the first king of Assam and the Ahom kingdom. This is a map of the empire of Ahom kingdom. As you can see in the purple area in the northeastern frontier agency, Sukaba arrived from Thailand area. It is believed that he had come from Thailand area and settled in Assam. As you can see, there were other kingdoms as well as the Manipur kingdom, the Kachari kingdom, the Jantia kingdom, the Koch kingdom, and the Mughal empire. From 1228 to 1268 AD, King Sukapa ruled, where he died in 1268 AD. During this period, accounts were silent on the Ahom-Naga relationship. However, the Nagas occasionally attacked the Ahoms, and in 1228 to 1268, Sukapa ruled, and in 1268 he was succeeded by his son Sutepa. From 1268 to 1488, though the dates were not exactly given, Sutepa was the son of Sukapa, and he was succeeded by Sukpa and Susenpa, varying from 1268 to 1488 AD. This was a time when Nagas and the Ahoms enjoyed relationship that was cordial as well as hostility wherever the situation asked for. So Sukapa was succeeded by Sutepa, and Sutepa was succeeded by Sukpa, and Sukpa was succeeded by Susenpa. During the reign of Susenpa, the Nagas defeated the Ahom force in an expedition against the Tangsa Konyak Nagas. The Tangsa Konyak Nagas are a group of Nagas, also known as the Tangsa or Tangshan. They are a Tibeto-Burmese ethnic group inhabiting the northeastern Indian states of Arunachal and Assam and across the border in Saigon region of Kachin in Myanmar. We know that as per Dr. B.S. Guha, who postulated 6 main races in India: the Negrite, the Proto-Australoid, the Mongoliad, the Mediterranean, the Western branches Sepals, and the Nordics. Among the Mongolians, the Nagas are believed to have been the Sino-Tibetan Mongoliad in the northeastern region and linguistically belong to the Tibeto-Burmese group. So the next king, Susenpa, was succeeded by Suhungmung. So during the Suhungmung, from 1497 to 1539, the Aitonian Nagas revolted against the Ahoms. Aitonio are also a group of Nagas, and during Suhungmung, the Naga Alley Road, which was a road that connected the Ahom kingdom and the Naga hills for trade relation and for escape routes during invasion, was constructed. During the rule of Suklenbong from 1540 AD to 1552 AD, in 1535 to 1536 marked hostility against the Kamjang, Tublung and Namsang Nagas by Suklenbong, son of Suhungmung. And Suklenbong was succeeded by Sudyenpa from 1648 to 1663, and Sudyenpa was succeeded by Sukampa in 1552 to 1600 AD. Though the dates may not be correct, may not be exactly similar, but we have a certain amount of timeline where the kings have ruled. Then the next successful king was King Katapani. The King Katapani was a famous figure in Ahom kingdom as well as the Nagas, who ascended the throne in 1681, succeeding the ruler Sukamba. So he assumed the Ahom king Subhatha and the Hindu name Gadadhar Singh or Godadhar Singh. He took refuge in the Naga hills due to the conspiracy of the enemies in the Ahom kingdom. During his stay, he stayed in Nagaland, especially in the Naganimora area of northern Nagaland in Konyak regions, where he married Watlong, who was the daughter of Wakching chief and Sindishila from Meri Nokpu or Nokpu village in Mokokchung. During his reign in 1685, the Nagas made a raid on Doyang Valley, and a punitive action was sent against them but was pardoned later by King Katapani. King Katapani was believed to have rested in the Nagaland, and it is said that he had married 2 Nagas and 1 queen, especially Sindishila as mentioned from Nokpu village, was said to have died at a place named Naganimora, where Sindishila died during childbirth at the place in Ahom kingdom. The place is called Nagaranimora, which means a place where the queen died, and this place has been renamed as Naganimora, which is in Mon district of Nagaland. So following the King Katapani's death, other rulers came and went. However, the history of the Ahoms and the Nagas, as explained earlier, was a blend of hostility and friendliness, with the Ahoms having no intention to conquer the Naga hills and never regarded the Nagas as a whole their subjects. They never wanted the Nagas to be under them. They wanted to maintain cordial relation, and wherever the situation had demanded, there were hostilities. In this respect, John Butler, who was a famous political officer of Nagaland, said that under the ancient Assam kingdom, some of the tribes, that is the Naga tribes, may have been more dependent upon the kingdom, but the Naga territory was never considered an integral part of this Assam sovereignty. Thus came the end of the relationship between the Ahoms and the Nagas However, they maintained cordial relation and trade relations in and around the Naga hills. Following the defeat of the Myanmars or the Burmese in 1826, the Nagas and the British came in contact in 1832. And this portion will be completed in the next part of the video. So if you guys enjoy this content, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe to this channel for more information and for exam purposes. Thank you.